Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, holds the keys to financial success. His insights can change how you think about money forever. But what's the secret to becoming rich? Well, today we'll dive deep into the lessons Buffett learned on his journey to riches, offering practical tips that could help you achieve your financial dreams. So, without further ado, let's begin. Understanding the basics of wealth. Warren Buffett isn't just a wizard in the stock market. He has wisdom that can transform your relationship with money. His quote, "If you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you need," rings especially true. Living beyond your means can lead to financial disaster. Picture this. You earn a good salary, but somehow your money vanishes before you can enjoy it. What's going wrong? The answer often lies in overspending. Are your purchases necessities or impulsive wants? Buffett emphasizes the importance of knowing the difference. His frugal lifestyle, despite being a billionaire, proves that wealth is not just about income, it's also about how much you keep. Creating a financial gap. So, how do you begin? Start by creating a gap between your income and your expenses. Overspending is like a financial domino effect. It leads to debt, which can snowball into a financial avalanche. Buffett suggests focusing on what you truly need, steering clear of unnecessary expenses. By doing this, you're already setting the stage for financial success. The power of continuous learning. Buffett didn't get to where he is overnight. His journey began with mentorship from Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing. But he didn't stop there. Buffett devoured books, analyzed company balance sheets, and consumed newspapers daily. His dedication to knowledge is a cornerstone of his success. So, what does it mean to invest in yourself? It goes beyond buying a house or a car. Buffett insists that the best investment is in your education. He advises students to improve their communication skills, claiming it can increase their value by at least 50%. After all, if you can't express your ideas, it's like winking at a girl in the dark. Nothing happens. Reading as an investment. Buffett reads for hours every day. He consumes 5 daily newspapers, numerous magazines, annual reports, and biographies. He believes knowledge builds up like compound interest. The more you learn, the more you grow. Many people fall into the trap of thinking they are too old to learn, but Buffett continues to learn even at his age. So, how can you embrace continuous learning? Start small. Read articles, watch educational videos, or take online courses. The key is to keep your mind active and never stop growing. Avoiding the herd mentality. A common mistake among investors is following the herd mentality. When everyone is buying a stock, many rush to invest without thinking. But Buffett teaches us to be cautious. He famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy only when others are fearful." What does this mean? In times of market chaos, instead of panicking, look for opportunities others are missing. When the market is down, it can be the best time to invest wisely. Buffett capitalizes on these moments, turning potential losses into gains. The dangers of high debt. Another major reason many people remain broke is high debt. Buffett warns against it, as debt acts like a silent saboteur, eroding your financial stability. Carrying high-interest debt is like a leaky faucet. Over time, those small drops can lead to a flood. To secure your financial future, avoid high-interest debt at all costs. Credit cards and payday loans are often traps that can keep you in a cycle of poverty. Instead, focus on paying off any existing debt and building a solid financial foundation. Redefining success. Society often equates success with wealth, power, and material possessions. However, Buffett believes true success lies in the relationships we build. He states, "If you get to be 65 or 70, and the people that you want to have love, you actually do love you. You're a success." Buffett's life is a reminder that happiness does not come from what you own, but rather from the experiences you gather and the love you share. In a world driven by consumerism, it's crucial to remember that the best things in life are often free. the importance of tracking expenses. How can you find financial leaks in your budget? Buffett suggests keeping track of your expenses. It may sound simple, but it's highly effective. Start documenting your income and spending habits. You'll quickly notice patterns that could help you cut back on unnecessary expenses. In today's digital age, budgeting apps and spreadsheets can make this task easier. By actively tracking your money, you become more mindful of where it goes, leading to better financial decisions. Diversifying investments. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is putting all their eggs in one basket. If you hear about a hot stock and invest everything in it, you're taking a big risk. Buffett advises spreading your investments across different sectors and asset classes. This strategy protects your portfolio from market fluctuations. But diversification is only part of the equation. A solid financial plan is crucial. This plan should outline your savings goals, retirement plans, and strategies for unexpected expenses. Invest in what you understand. Buffett lives by a simple rule: never invest in a business you don't understand. He believes that understanding the fundamentals of any investment is crucial for success. Before you invest your money, take the time to learn about the business, its products, and its potential for growth. Investing in what you don't understand can lead to unexpected losses. Whether it's cryptocurrencies, penny stocks, or emerging markets, ensure you grasp the underlying mechanics before committing your money. Mastering the tax game. Understanding taxes is crucial for anyone aiming to build wealth and secure financial freedom. Many individuals pay more taxes than necessary simply because they lack knowledge about the rules and strategies available. Warren Buffett emphasizes the importance of making smart financial moves within the legal framework to minimize tax liabilities. One effective way to do this is by contributing to tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k or an IRA, which can lower your taxable income while saving for retirement. Additionally, consulting with a financial advisor can help you develop personalized strategies tailored to your financial situation, ensuring you make the most of available opportunities and avoid unnecessary expenses. The psychology of spending. The pressure to keep up with others can lead to detrimental financial habits and ultimately financial ruin. When a neighbor buys a new car or takes a luxurious vacation, the urge to follow suit can be overwhelming. This keeping up with the Joneses mentality is not only exhausting, but can severely impact your financial health. Warren Buffett advises against this mindset, urging individuals to focus on their unique financial goals instead. It's essential to avoid living beyond your means just to impress others. Remember, true happiness doesn't come from material possessions. It comes from achieving your personal goals and maintaining financial stability that reflects your values and priorities. Creating a plan for the future. Having a clear financial plan that aligns with your long-term goals is essential for achieving financial independence. This plan should outline specific targets for saving, investing, and spending, allowing you to visualize your path to success. As your circumstances change, whether due to a new job, a family addition, or other life events, adjusting your plan accordingly ensures it remains relevant. A well-structured financial plan serves as your roadmap, guiding you toward your aspirations while keeping you focused on what matters most. Regularly reviewing your plan is crucial to ensure it meets your evolving needs, while setting realistic goals can keep you motivated and on track toward financial freedom. Warren Buffett's journey to wealth is filled with invaluable lessons that can help anyone looking to improve their financial situation. By focusing on continuous learning, avoiding debt, tracking expenses, and understanding your investments, you can pave the way to financial success. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights into building wealth and mastering your finances. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.